Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Niteesh Kumar Upadhyay, Associate Professor of Law, Dhirubhai Ambani University School of Law, Gandhinagar. Today we will be discussing about Scopus and frequently asked questions related to Scopus publications.
Sir, is it possible to publish in a German Scopus-indexed journal within a week or a month?
To be very honest, there are a lot of fake, predatory and hijack journals which commits that they will be publishing within 7 days or 2 days and 3 days, but this is not possible when you're talking of Scopus journals.
So, sir, next question, is it true or false? All peer-reviewed journals are indexed in Scopus.
No. Scopus only index journals which show some caliber and quality, and not all peer-reviewed journals are Scopus index journals.
What does the Q1 to Q4 ranking of a journal in Scopus refer to?
If you're talking in terms of Q1 journal, it is top 25%, Q2 journal is 25 to 50%, Q3 journal is 50 to 75%, and Q4 is 75 to 100% journals that are listed in Scopus.
Could you please name one common reason for a journal to be discontinued from Scopus?
Usually they do not publish on time. They publish papers which are not of quality and potency, and also they start charging money and they publish a lot of papers. That's why.
So, do all Scopus listed journals charge academic publication or processing fees?
Not really. There are some journals which charge academic publication charges. They call it APC, but not all journals. And there are a lot of free journals as well which publishes paper without charging any academic publication charges.
Sir, let's say a journal offers you a chance to publish an article with a backdated issue that can be June 2023, claiming it will still appear in Scopus. Is this legitimate and what are the risks involved with it?
I tell you, this is not legitimate, first of all, publishing in a backdated issue. The paper will also never be listed on Scopus website. So you're losing your paper, you're losing your money, and you're also losing your reputation in academic fraternity.
So, how can you identify if a journal claiming to be a Scopus index is fake, predatory, or hijacked?
So I'll say there is a 7-point rule you need to see. First is if they are claiming to have a very fast publication within a month or a week or so, then there is a very high probability that journal is fake, predatory, or hijacked. Second is if you see their website, it will be very poorly designed. Sometimes you will find their mail IDs to be Gmail mail IDs where do not have a specific domains. You also find the contact information of the editorial board and editors is not there, just names and which college they belong is usually there. Also, most of these journals charge APC, and the APC is not mentioned on the website. So it happens that they mail you that, okay, you have to pay this much amount of money for your publication. They also have multiple issues and they publish a lot of papers, even sometimes papers which are not from the domain of the journal. So let's take there is a journal called Russian Law Journal, but publishes paper not from Russia or topics which belongs to Russia. Uh, and also they publish papers from almost all domain because they want to get more money, and they are fake, predatory and hijack journals. And if you go and find on Scopus and Scimago, the journal information is not listed. So this is how you find out which is a fake, predatory journal.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable insights.
Thank you.